Maintaining weight is vital for general well-being. This is particularly important for maintaining hormone balance. Obesity, frequently caused by a poor diet, may break this delicate equilibrium. This instability may lead to a cascade of health concerns. One notable effect is its influence on testosterone levels. Let's look into the delicate link between nutrition, obesity, and testosterone levels. Weight gain happens when calorie intake continuously exceeds calorie expenditure. This indicates that the energy you consume from food and drinks is larger than the energy your body utilizes for fundamental functioning and physical activity. When this occurs, the body stores the surplus energy as fat over time. This may lead to considerable weight gain. If the imbalance remains, it's crucial to remember that not all calories are created equal. The source of these calories has a key impact in how they affect your body and general health. This energy imbalance leads to the accumulation of extra calories as fat. When you eat more calories than your body requires, the excess is turned into triglycerides and stored in fat cells. These fat cells may enlarge and reproduce, leading to an increase in body fat. This procedure is a natural survival mechanism, but in today's environment of plentiful food supply, it frequently leads an undesirable weight gain. The body is built to store energy for times of shortage, but with continual availability to high-calorie meals, this storage may become excessive. Consuming a diet heavy in processed foods, sugary beverages, and harmful fats adds greatly to this calorie excess. Processed meals are generally filled with added sugars, harmful fats, and artificial chemicals that may contribute to overeating. These meals are meant to be highly palatable, meaning they are created to taste exceedingly nice, which might make it difficult to quit eating them. Sugary beverages, such as sodas and energy drinks, are especially harmful because they deliver a big quantity of calories without making you feel full. This might lead to ingesting more calories than you realize. These meals are generally calorie-packed yet nutrition-low, increasing weight gain and its related health hazards. Calorie-rich meals deliver a lot of energy in a little quantity of food, which may contribute to overeating. In contrast, nutrient-rich meals give needed vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients without excessive calories. When you eat calorie-packed nutrition-poor meals, you may be losing out on critical nutrients that your body needs to operate effectively. This may lead to a variety of health difficulties including obesity, diabetes, heart disease, and other chronic illnesses. Studies regularly reveal a high association between the intake of certain foods and an increased risk of obesity. Research has revealed that diets heavy in processed foods, sugary beverages, and unhealthy fats are associated to greater incidence of obesity and related health concerns. These studies underline the necessity of choosing better eating choices to maintain a healthy weight and lower the risk of chronic illnesses. By knowing the influence of your diet on your health, you may make better educated choices about what you consume. Furthermore, a lack of physical exercise exacerbates the condition, creating a perfect storm for weight growth and its hormonal repercussions. Physical exercise is vital for keeping a healthy weight and general wellness. Regular exercise helps to burn calories, build muscle, and enhance metabolic health. When paired with a good diet, physical exercise may help to prevent weight gain and lower the risk of obesity-associated health conditions. However, many individuals have sedentary lives, spending long hours sitting at computers and doing nothing, watching TV or utilizing electronic gadgets. This lack of activity might lead to weight gain and severely damage your health. Incorporating regular physical exercise into your daily routine is vital for keeping a healthy weight and avoiding chronic illnesses, whether it's going for a walk, attending a fitness class, or just taking the stairs instead of the elevator. Every amount of exercise matters. By making little modifications to your lifestyle, you may build a healthier, more balanced approach to weight control. Obesity is intimately connected to insulin resistance. This relationship is not simply a trivial element, but a critical aspect in comprehending the larger ramifications of obesity on general health. When we speak about obesity, we generally concentrate on the visual components, such as weight increase and physical appearance. However, the internal alterations, especially those linked to insulin resistance, are as, if not more, significant. Insulin resistance is a disease where the body's cells become less receptive to the hormone insulin, which is vital for managing blood sugar levels. Insulin is a hormone generated by the pancreas. The pancreas is a key organ positioned beneath the stomach, and it plays a significant function in the digestive system. It generates enzymes that aid in digestion and hormones like insulin that control blood sugar levels. When you eat, your body breaks down carbs into glucose, which enters the circulation. The pancreas subsequently produces insulin to assist cells absorb this glucose and utilize it for energy. Without insulin or with inadequate insulin, glucose cannot enter the cells and stays in the circulation, resulting to excessive blood sugar levels. It controls blood sugar levels by letting glucose to enter cells for energy. This mechanism is vital for maintaining the body's energy balance and general health. When glucose enters, it is utilized to create energy, which fuels numerous biological operations. Proper management of blood sugar levels is crucial for avoiding illnesses like diabetes, which may have serious health repercussions if left unmanaged. Regular monitoring of blood sugar levels, particularly for individuals at risk of diabetes, is critical for early diagnosis and treatment of possible complication. In obesity, however, cells become less receptive to insulin. This diminished reactivity implies that even while the pancreas makes insulin, it does not generate insulin. The cells cells do not absorb glucose effectively. As a consequence, glucose stays in the circulation, leading to greater blood sugar levels. This condition, known as insulin resistance, is a substantial risk factor for developing type 2 diabetes. People with obesity are at a greater risk of developing insulin resistance, owing to the extra fat, especially visceral fat, which interferes with the body's capacity to utilize insulin properly. This lowered sensitivity, known as insulin resistance, disrupts the body's capacity to control blood sugar efficiently. When the body cannot regulate blood sugar levels adequately, it leads to a number of health complications. High blood sugar levels may harm blood vessels, nerves, and organs over time. This disturbance in blood sugar management is a major element in the development of type 2 diabetes, a chronic disorder that affects millions of people worldwide. Managing insulin resistance by lifestyle modifications such as diet and exercise is critical for avoiding the development to diabetes. This resistance requires the pancreas to generate more insulin to compensate. The pancreas works over time to generate enough insulin to overcome the resistance and reduce blood sugar levels. However, this increased strain on the pancreas might contribute to its depletion over time. When the pancreas can no longer keep up with the demand for insulin, blood sugar levels increase, resulting to hyperglycemia. This syndrome is a prelude to type 2 diabetes and needs cautious treatment to avoid future problems. Chronically increased insulin levels may have harmful impacts on several body systems, including hormone synthesis. High insulin levels may lead to an imbalance in other hormones, impacting systems such as metabolism, hunger control, and fat accumulation. This hormonal imbalance may lead to increased weight gain and aggravate obesity, creating a vicious cycle. Additionally, raised insulin levels are related with an increased risk of cardiovascular illnesses such as hypertension and atherosclerosis. Therefore, managing insulin resistance and maintaining adequate insulin levels are critical for general health and well-being. The delicate balance of hormones is substantially altered by insulin resistance. Hormones are chemical messengers that flow through the circulation to tissues and organs, impacting many different processes like growth, metabolism, and mood. Insulin, a hormone generated by the pancreas, plays a key function in controlling blood sugar levels. When the body becomes resistant to insulin, it indicates that the cells do not react efficiently to insulin, resulting to greater levels of insulin in the blood. This disorder, known as insulin resistance, may have far-reaching implications on the body's hormonal balance. Elevated insulin levels may interfere with the synthesis and activity of important hormones, including testosterone. Testosterone is a crucial hormone in both men and women. While it is present at considerably larger quantities in males, it is responsible for the development of male reproductive tissues, the development of muscular and bone mass, and the growth of body hair in women. Testosterone is involved in ovarian function, bone strength, and sexual behavior. When insulin levels are chronically high, it may disturb the natural synthesis and control of testosterone, leading to a number of health concerns. Studies have found a high association between insulin resistance and reduced testosterone levels in males. Research suggests that men with insulin resistance are more likely to have reduced levels of testosterone, which may lead to symptoms such as tiredness, sadness, and decreased libido. Additionally, decreased testosterone levels are related with an increased risk of developing type 2 diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and metabolic syndrome. These results underscore the necessity of maintaining optimal insulin levels to maintain total hormonal balance and wellness. The actual methods by which insulin resistance influences testosterone production are complicated and varied. One idea argues that high insulin levels may directly limit the generation of testosterone in the testes. Another theory is that insulin resistance leads to an increase in body fat, which may convert testosterone into estrogen, further decreasing testosterone levels. Additionally, insulin resistance may produce inflammation and oxidative damage, which may harm the cells responsible for making testosterone. Understanding these pathways is critical for finding effective therapies for hormonal abnormalities associated to insulin resistance. However, it is obvious that this disturbance in hormonal balance plays a significant role in the development of low testosterone levels associated with obesity. Obesity is a key risk factor for insulin resistance, and the two disorders commonly occur simultaneously. Excess body fat, especially around the belly, may increase the production of inflammatory chemicals that interfere with insulin transmission. This generates a vicious cycle where insulin resistance leads to hormonal imbalances, which in turn contribute to increased weight gain and metabolic abnormalities. Addressing insulin resistance via lifestyle modifications such as diet, exercise, and weight management may help restore hormonal balance and improve overall health. Regular physical exercise, a balanced diet rich in whole foods, and keeping a healthy weight are critical methods for lowering insulin resistance and promoting healthy testosterone levels. Consulting with healthcare specialists for specific advice and treatment alternatives is also vital for managing these interrelated health conditions efficiently. Looking for high-quality supplements backed by Dr. Andrew Huberman himself? Check out the links in the description below and subscribe and hit the bell icon if you've learned anything new or anything of value.